Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really fun treat bag for you for Halloween. This is my Halloween treat bags. They're pretty substantial, they're good size. This one is the Frankenstein one, and it comes with the back that says trick or treat. I also have a few other variations that I will show you later on in the video. Like I said, this is a larger treat bag. I didn't really want to do a small one because everybody wants a whole bunch of candy for Halloween. So this is definitely a good size to have any kind of like coloring books or activity books or anything like that, along with your candy and your goodies. It's really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've typed in the password, you're brought to all the free files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 140. That's the Halloween treat bags. Go ahead and click the hyperlink here. Download the file onto your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Alright, we have a new project opened in Cricut Design Space. We can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. First thing that we need to do is change the score lines. So let's head down the Layers panel and find the two pieces for the bag. Highlight the score line. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Do that for the second piece. Highlight the score line. Change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. So we have those two pieces out of the way. Now I've given you three different characters: Dracula, a witch, and Frankenstein. I'm going to be showing you how to make Frankenstein, but if you want to do any of the other ones, you're certainly more than welcome to. So I'm going to go ahead and delete those for now because now you see that I've given you three different characters. I'm going to be showing you how to put together Frankenstein today. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and remove Dracula and the Witch. And we can go ahead and click Make It. I'm going to be using the mat for this project. You'll see the different mats. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll get everything cut out and then I will see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, everything's been cut out and it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is layer together our little face. I do have a layering guide within the download and will help show you how to layer everything together. I'm going to go ahead and layer up Frankenstein's face. There we go. There is little Frankenstein. Isn't he cute? Now we can go ahead and glue him to his cover panel of the bag. Normally I would use my Beacon 3-in-1 for this to help keep everything nice and strong and sturdy and not warp as much, but I am all out of that glue at the moment. I'll set him to the side. Now we can go ahead and work on the other side. Now when you cut out this piece, I want you to make sure to save the O, the A, and the E, the little inside pieces. So I flipped it over, and I'm just going to add my glue to one side of this black square. Place that over all of the letters. Flip that back over. I'm just pressing out all of the glue so that doesn't leave any marks, but at the same time it would look kind of like spider webs, so for Halloween it might work out. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of glue here in the centers for that O, E, and A. And I have my little pieces here. Alright, there's our trick-or-treat side. I'm going to get my tray out of the way here. We can go ahead and work on the bags. Now I want you to take one of the pieces, flip it around so that the tabs for the bottom are at the top. Fold those as mountain folds. And then this long score line right here, fold as a mountain fold. Then this score line here, that's the tab, fold that as a mountain fold. This center score line gets folded as a valley fold. And then the two angled score lines get folded as valley folds as well. Now depending on the weight of your cardstock, these might be easier to fold, they might be a little bit more stubborn. Like I said, it will depend on the weight of cardstock that you are using. I'm using some leftover cardstock that is a little thin, that's why it's kind of buckling a little bit right here. But once everything is put inside, it will not be a big deal. So I'm going to set that to the side just for a minute. And this piece, you'll have to fold it the same exact way. Now, we're just going to attach them together. I'm going to add glue along the edge of this tab here. I'm going to place that on the opposite side on the other piece. And line up that bottom score line and the sides here. Give that a press. Okay. And now I'll add the glue along this tab. Bring the bag over. And line this side up as well. Okay, so there we have our sides done. Give it a good fold and a press to make sure that everything is nice and secure. And now, to close up the bottom, fold in the side flaps and then add the glue to those side flaps. This is going to be a little fidgety just because of the handles of the bag, but you're going to want to fold down one of these longer side pieces. I like to try to go in there and give it a little bit of a press just to adhere that until we can put the other flap down. Now I'm going to add glue all over that flap that we just pressed down. And then close it up. You're going to want to make sure to line up the edges as straight as you can. That way you know it's going to lay properly. Put your hand inside the bag and give that a little press. And there is our bag. Now we can take one of the cover panels. And like I said, I would normally use the beacon for this, but I am all out of that glue at the moment. And then we're just going to center that onto one side of the bag. Flip it over and then press from the inside. There we are. Flip it over and then we'll put Frankenstein on the other side. And there is Frankenstein. You could write the child's name here at the top, so there's definitely space for you to add some more embellishment. But I think that is so cute. And then on the back is a little trick or treat. So there is Frankenstein. This is what the little witch looks like. And then Dracula. So all three of them come within the download. You saw how that comes together within Design Space, so pick which one you want or make all three. They are super, super cute and really, really fast to put together. Aren't these bags so cute? I love the different characters. Let's go over them one more time. So this one is the Frankenstein. Here is the cute little Dracula. And then the little witch. Like I had said in the beginning, they are a little bit on the larger side. They will hold a lot of goodies for your little trick-or-treaters. I hope that you make these. If you do make them, make sure to post them in our Facebook group. We have thousands of friends who love to encourage and support each other, and we would love to see your different creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I hope you have a great day. Bye.